Hey everyone, it's Char from Char's Fascination. I know I shouldn't be up on my leg, but y'all, I miss cooking. And this is fresh venison. So I'm going to cube this up. Okay, now I've got it all in there. This venison only had like that small bone in it, so that's okay. This already smells good. I'm going to cut up the veg and put it in. So what veg might we be using today? Well, we have some zucchini, we have a bell pepper, we have some carrot. I am using tomatoes in there. Got these little onions. They need to be used. And I have another bag of potatoes over here. I just need to cut these and use them because they're farm fresh. This is now almost cooked all the way down. I did put some vegetable stock in there. That's some potato. No, that's 2 potatoes. And with that Timu knife, I'm able to cut that thin or thinner. Make potato chips with that. Right? So, in the pot. Okay, well, I have that in there now. I just put the carrots in there. Now I'm going to cut up the 2 zucchini. So I was going to use those tomatoes. Let me show you what I got in here so far. I'm going to add some broth stock to this. Plus, I just added... I don't know why I said plus twice. Now 3 times. But anyway, so I added balsamic glaze in here, as you can see. Smells so good. Now you have to cook venison all the way through. This is not steak, y'all. You have to make sure that venison is completely cooked or you could get sick. It's like I said, it is not steak, it is deer meat. So, we'll be back when it's done cooking. So, okay, while I'm cooking, that got a little more puffy. I have socks on, but it's just to keep my foot warm. That's a bit puffy. It's gonna get better, y'all. It's gonna get better. Okay. That smells and looks so yummy. Right, so I'm going to see about testing a piece of the meat. Okay, that was I had to take a phone call. That was my primary's office. This meat is done. How well you can see that. Oh, there you go. That's done. Now what I might do is put some masa flour in here and just make this into like a venison stew. I might do that. Okay, now that is stew, and it tastes good too. And also because I put that zucchini in there, love that. With certain things, a zucchini will taste like a spice, which is good. Yeah. So I'm gonna let this sit here and like cook the spices in that I added in. Added pepper and some cayenne. So we had to go with the lesser brand, but hey, it's spice. That spice is always nice. Meet you at the table when it's done and when they're back. So anyway, apparently this is just an extra bit while we're waiting for that and waiting for them to get back. So apparently, okay, and I'm gonna try his matcha. Oh, that's really good. Okay, you can have it back now. We do that a lot around here. So anyway, apparently I have a bone spur, a very small one, in my heel. And my hip is deteriorating. And I have bone loss. And that's from the osteoarthritis. Rob has the same issue. So they said the office that I chose the first time, which was rheumatology, they said you were correct on going there. But the one associate of my actual rheumatologist, dude, don't expect to be working in no office soon. Not after my doctors are done with them. Yeah. Because it's arthritic. So It will be crippling me soon in a chair, but I'm not going to cry about it. And they did know, I did tell them about yesterday because I did pass out. And, yeah, passed out. So, I can't help that. Anyway, we'll be back with food. Hey, you know what? Today's video is just kind of a mishmash of both my ankle and cooking. And little doctor update. So we're waiting for Rob and his daughter to get back in the house. Sometimes I'll just sit out there and talk, which is fine. You're right. Take a drink.
Long pipe.
Yeah. Take a drink. Little girl, get down. She's like, she can smell the venison. She's like trying to get a bite. Madam. Hold on. Anyway, now that we're back. My gosh, without extra sauce, to me it tastes really good because I did add fresh ground pepper in this.
I put the garlic. And the garlic's pretty good.
And so sometimes we use these as our condiments, and this is really good. And then I took out the Nashville one. That one's also really good, especially on chicken. So, Rob's going for the Nashville one. We'll see how that tastes. All I know is this is good. And it's healthy. Plus it's gluten-free.
Why would I do that?
What? You're learning, aren't you, Rob? Rob has an MRE thing where he doesn't like to touch certain things with his fingers.
Food.
Yeah.
Finger looking good, ain't it?
Absolutely.
If it wasn't hot, I don't think I would have done it.
So how is that with that? Let me know. I think the venison cooked up really nice and tender. What do you think?
I like it.
So, and Steve?
Good. I like it.
And I know I like it. Tastes good to me. Anyway, healthy meal on a budget again. Remember, you can always make yourself a healthy meal and stay happy, stay healthy, stay positive, and as always, stay blessed. And they told me it's a good idea just to try to get up and do what I can and rest in between, which is what I'm going to be doing now. Excuse me. Anyway, with that said, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.